I'm excited to be here with Amy Loomis, and she's going to share some insights on the future of work. So Amy, I'm interested in how we're moving from AI to agentic AI and how that'll influence the future of work.
Well, I think what we've come to is an inflection point where we've gone from having humans in the loop, where they have AI and automation tools that they program to do a series of tasks, to having autonomous agents be able to do tasks that people did before. So think of the HR recruiter. Now, instead of going out to find people to get that particular job role filled, they might have an agent go out and filter through all sorts of different resumes, pick the top candidates, and then they just focus on talking to those candidates after the agent has scheduled the interviews. So it really means that the job shifts from having lots of little tasks that people have to do to focusing on the end goal, which is the most important thing for the person to be engaged in doing.
Well, that was really insightful, Amy. Thank you so much for being here.
It's been my pleasure. Thanks.